So for your brief today, what we would like you to do is to create a look in monochrome. MUAs, your time starts now.
Until now, the MUAs have been able to prepare for creative briefs in advance. Today is the first time they're going in blind.
I've picked a look that's quite big impact because I want it to be like a wow. So although it's quite technically difficult, if I can pull it off, I think I will impress the judges.
So with this challenge, I think what's going to be really hard for the artist today is because it's black and white, they really have to focus on their technical ability, because if you wibble or wobble on a white base with a black liner, you will see every jagged mark. It has to be smooth, clean and crisp.
MUAs, you've had 1 hour.
Oh, what?
You have had 1 hour. So get a move on.
It's going okay, I think. That last time call made me a little bit nervous. I didn't realise time was going so quickly.
MUAs, you have 5 minutes left.
I ain't got no time.
I love everything about it. I think you've done an exceptional job.
Thank you.
You've created something really 3D. There's a real illusion to it. You are really coming into your own. So whatever you're doing, whatever that brain is telling you to do, keep doing it and just have fun, because this is really outstanding. I'm really, really impressed.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.